Sir, turboin ito sa bago mong bike ha.
Wow, yan na ba yun?
Hey guys, we're back in Singapore. Happy weekend. So we're gonna do a quick ride with Hannah and Enrique. He has a new bike. We're gonna check it out. Let's go!
Steps of a child. It's the joy of your great-grandmother's smile. We came a long way, but we ain't slowing down. We got a strong pace, no we ain't losing ground.
Clementi. Enrique's new BMC.
Wide world we're living in. Yeah.
West Coast Highway. The battery died down as usual. So we're at Keppel Road.
All along the way to break bread on another day. Always there to give you advice, help you find the wrong from the right. Even when you're not in their sight, you'll be alright. Just look at the big wide world we're living in. Yeah, just keep running until you discover it. Yeah. And how far we can go. So what are we waiting for? I know I've got time.
Para matatandaan kita, may discount ako. Alright. Sir, turboin ito sa bago mong bike ha.
Wow, yan na ba yun?
Nagtayo nating content yan.
Anong tawag dyan, sir?
BMC.
BMC.
Look at the big wide world we're living in. Yeah, I'll keep running until I discover it.
Guys, we're here at Marina Bay to look at Enrique's new bike, BMC Timemachine. So it's a custom bike. Let's have a look. It's from Rival ETAP. Matte black finish. Fully integrated cockpit, aero bottle cage, compact chainring, and it's on carbonation cycling 50mm deep wheel carbon wheels made from hand built in Philippines. Currently on loop pedals. Works saddle. And I mean,
Sir, ano masasabi?
sir, how does it feel sa bagong bike mo from Cervelo S2 to
Mabigat.
BMC?
Mabigat.
Mabigat? Pero mukhang
Compared sa-
super aero.
Compared sa Cervelo, mabigat siya.
Kamusta sir yung yung brakes? So from rim to disc, ramdam mo ba yung change?
Maganda ang brake. Mas responsive siya. Compared sa rim. Yung I think this brake is much responsive pag nagbe-braking ka.
Nice yan sir.
Smallest, 47.
47. Tapos ang group set mo ay Rival.
Rival AXS.
Parang compact sir yung chainring mo ah.
Oo nga.
Anong ratio ano yan sir? 48. Ano bang di ko kabisado with SRAM?
Hindi ko alam eh.
Parang si Hana,
Happy wife naman.
ano ba? Papareho ba sa BMC?
Wala ng budget.
O sabihin niya, baka magkatotoo.
Retirement. Okay yan.
Nice. So, bakit matte black sir?
Para tilt.
47. Timemachine. BMC. Stealth black. Lunchbox.
Dito na bubuksan.
Guys, we're heading to Padang for a quick photo op.
Padang. Miss ko nga daw ng klase.
Nice. Have a safe ride, guys. Bye-bye. Unang taon namin, nandito lahat, kompleto sila. And with breakfast, balik na po kami. Tagbitan Crescent.
Flashing. Sa tugatog ng Tagumpay.
West Coast Highway. Science Center.
Susunod na kanto pa yung Science Center.
Ayun ang Science Center Road nakalagay.